In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude Code versus VS Code agent mode, which is really better. Let's break this down in practical terms so you can match the right tool to the way you actually build software. First up is Claude Code. Think of it as a companion built for heavy-duty work inside the terminal. It shines when you need long-form reasoning, deep debugging, and complex Git workflows. If you're chasing an elusive bug that spans several services, or you're wrangling a multi-step migration, this is where Claude Code earns its keep. It handles extended context well, so it can follow a chain of thought, inspect logs, and refine a plan over several iterations. When you're dealing with intricate Git operations, like crafting a clean history across multiple branches, bisecting to find a bad commit, or coordinating a careful rebase, Claude Code's methodical approach helps you proceed safely and precisely. It excels when you provide rich context, like a summary of your repository structure, recent error traces, and the exact commands you're running. Then ask it to reason step by step. In short, it's ideal for deep, complex projects where deliberate thinking beats quick snippets. Now, let's talk about GitHub Copilot Agent in VS Code's agent mode. This one is designed for everyday coding tasks and aims to keep you in flow. It's tightly integrated with VS Code and GitHub, making the experience smooth and chat-driven. Need to scaffold a function, fill in boilerplate, write unit tests, or explain a piece of code you've just opened? Copilot Agent is fast and convenient. Because it lives inside the editor, it's great for incremental development. Jump between files, ask for an explanation, tweak a snippet, then immediately run or debug. Its GitHub integration also helps when working with pull requests, inline comments, and issues, perfect for small, frequent improvements and collaborative workflows. If your day involves steady, integrated editing with lots of quick assists, Copilot Agent keeps friction low and momentum high. So which is better? The conclusion is simple. Choose based on your workflow. Reach for Claude Code when you're working on deep, complex projects, intense debugging sessions, multi-repo reasoning, or sophisticated Git choreography. Choose GitHub Copilot Agent when you're focused on integrated, everyday development in VS Code's steady feature work, quick refactors, tests, and doc updates with seamless GitHub context. Many teams use both. Claude Code for the heavy lifts, Copilot Agent for the continuous flow. Match the tool to the task, and you'll get the best of both worlds.